got the new Audi exhaust. About to unbox it. We got the Borla S-Type. Should be pretty loud. Pretty excited. Whew. Big box. Big box. Ooh, is that a Borla beat? That's a Borla hat. Tip. Let's go. Check this. Woo. Check out that tip. Borla. Let's go. That's right. That looks fire. So I think it's a 2.5 inch to a 3 or a 3.5 inch tip. I'm gonna put this down on the ground. Woo! That's a big boy. Here's the other tip. Got the left one. Super nice. Line them up next to each other. Here's the meat. Here's the meat of the system. Oh yeah. Check me out, huh? Check that out. Whew. Got a little Borla on the thing right there. S. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it'll be set up.
Yeah.
Dirty. Wow, dude, this thing is thick. Like, compared to the stock piping, oh man, this thing is thick.
Yeah.
Got anything else in here? Looks like we got some instructions and some V-band clamp. Yeah, it looks like a V-band clamp. You know, 4 of these. We got the Borla hat. Very nice. I like. And no stickers. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh. Stickers. I take it back. We got stickers. Don't worry, boys. We got stickers. Sorry, Borla. Sorry. I can wipe it down too. So I'll probably do. I'll probably wipe the metal down. It's so damn dirty. There's no paper towels here.